Chapter 7, Countable and Uncountable. Many, much, a few, a little, a lot of, lots of, enough, and plenty. Hey, I'm Jake. Are you also going to Florida for the farm work?
Hi, I'm Lily. Yeah, I am. Do you know much about the work we'll be doing?
Yeah, I've heard there will be a lot of physical labor involved, but the pay is pretty good.
That's good to know. I hope we have plenty of time to explore Florida too.
Definitely. There are lots of beaches and theme parks to visit. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Sounds great. Let's have a safe and enjoyable flight. Lily and Jake arrived in the US and headed to the baggage claim area to collect their bags. I hope our bags arrive soon. I'm so tired from the flight.
Yeah, me too. But we have plenty of time to rest later. We need to start working on the farm soon.
I'm a little nervous about the work. Do you think we'll be able to handle it?
Of course we can. It may be a lot of hard work, but we'll get used to it soon, and we'll have each other for support.
That's true. I'm glad we're here. It's going to be a lot of fun too.
Absolutely. And we'll learn a lot of new things about farming. It's going to be a great experience.
I can't wait. Our adventure begins now.
Yes, it does. Let's grab our bags and get started. Match the answers with the image of a compass. Where are you going? North,
South,
east,
west,
northwest,
northeast,
southwest,
southeast. Determiners. First place,
second place,
third place,
fourth floor,
fifth traffic light,
sixth from the right. For determiners, add th to the end. Seventh,
eighth,
ninth,
10th,
11th,
12th,
13th,
14th,
15th,
17th,
18th,
19th,
20th,
21st,
22nd,
23rd,
24th,
25th,
26th.
etc. Match the words with the pictures. Underwear,
Socks,
shirt,
top,
pants,
shorts,
skirt,
jacket,
sweaters,
boots,
shoes,
sandals,
hat,
cap.
sunglasses.
Many, used to describe a large number of countable objects, like books. Many people attend to the concert last night.
How many books have you read this year?
There are many different types of flowers in this garden.
When referring to countable nouns, you would use are. For example, there are many cars on the road.
There are many books on the shelf.
Much, used to describe a large number of uncountable objects like love. I don't have much time to finish this project.
How much sugar do you need for the recipe?
There's not much water left in the bottle.
Much is an uncountable noun, meaning it cannot be counted as individual units. Therefore, it takes a singular verb form, is. For example, there is much water in the glass.
There is much traffic on the highway.
A lot of and lots of, used to describe a large number of amount of something, both countable and uncountable. She has a lot of books.
Babies need lots of love and care.
He eats a lot of fruit and vegetables every day.
Plenty, Used to describe a sufficient or more than sufficient amount of something, both countable and uncountable. We have plenty of food.
There's plenty of time to get to the airport before your flight.
She has plenty of experience in this field.
Enough, used to describe a sufficient or satisfactory amount of something. I have enough money to buy a new laptop.
He's old enough to take care of himself.
I've had enough food for today. Thank you.
A few and a little are both quantifiers used to indicate a small quantity of something. However, they are used differently depending on whether the noun they modify is countable or uncountable. Few. A few is used with countable nouns and indicates a small number, typically 3 to 4, of something. I have a few ideas for our project. Countable noun.
She always keeps a few snacks in her bag in case she gets hungry. Countable.
There are a few books on the shelf that I haven't read yet. Countable.
A little. A little, it's used with uncountable nouns. For example, salt is an uncountable noun. So a little is used to indicate a small amount of salt. I like to put a little honey in my tea to sweeten it. Uncountable noun.
Can you give me a little more information about the project? Uncountable.
I put a little salt in the soup to enhance the flavor. Uncountable.
Countable nouns. Chair,
Phone,
book,
computer,
car,
television,
lamp,
pen,
lawnmower,
shovel,
seed,
fertilizer,
hay,
grain,
barn,
fence,
irrigation,
harvester,
sprayer.
cow,
Uncountable nouns. Water,
love,
rice,
sugar,
coffee,
milk,
salt,
sand,
corn,
oats,
sugarcane,
soil,
hay,
grass,
wheat,
luggage or bag,
money,
experience,
courage.
efficiency.
The farmer plants his crops and waters them a little to help them grow. He feeds his animals hay and protects his crops with fertilizer and a sprayer. Come harvest season, he uses his combine to gather the grain. The farmer sells a lot of the grain to the market and stores. The rest he stores in the barn. He is grateful for a good harvest and looks forward to the next growing season.
What does the farmer do to help his crop grow?
How does the farmer protect his crops?
What does the farmer use to gather the grain during harvest season?
Where does the farmer store the grain?
Is the farmer happy with his harvest? And what does he look forward to?